All right, today we've got a really fun one for you. It's pecans roasted with hot buttered rum. It's very simple and it's super delicious. All you're going to need are some raw pecans. This is 1 cup right here. Aspen mulling spices, which are the hot buttered rum here that we have. 1 egg and a cup to whisk the egg. We're going to bake it, so you need a baking pan and some wrap. So all we're going to do is take your egg, and you want to get just the egg white. So take your egg and just go ahead, get just the egg white. So you take your egg, just the egg white, and then you're going to take a fork and just whisk. You got them whisked up like that. Take a bowl, get your pecans. We're going to mix them in together. You just want to coat the pecans in the egg white. We got the dog watching. We got a dog watching. What you doing? Look at that tail. All right, so now that we've got that coated up, just a light coating, we're going to add to taste. So we're going to take this hot buttered rum, and we're going to do 1 tablespoon and kind of see how that works here. All right, and we'll go ahead and we'll do 2. We'll mix that up and it'll stick a little bit with that egg in there. All right, and we're going to go ahead with 3. Why not? Look at that. Look at that. There we go. So we got 3, just to kind of reiterate, we got 3 tablespoons of the hot buttered rum. We got 1 egg white, and we got 1 cup of pecans, and we're just mixing it all together. Once we've got it nice and coated like that, we're going to go ahead and take our pan. So you got this, and then very lightly. All right, so we've got the foil, and then you want to lightly grease your pan. Go ahead and just take some butter and just kind of rub this on here. Just a light coating. All right, so you want to just lay it on as a thin kind of single layer. Look how good that's looking. All right, and then just kind of pat it down so it's a nice thin layer so they cook evenly. Right, and then you want to preheat your oven to 300. We're going to do probably about 30 to 40 minutes, and we're going to flip halfway through just to make sure it kind of cooks evenly. Alrighty, so we've got this ready, and we're just going to pop this right in the oven. 15 minutes, then we're going to flip it, flip the pecans over, and then we'll do another 15 minutes and check it. That may be good, we'll see. So that's just going to go right into the oven. Alrighty, so it's been about 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip the pecans. So we're just going to go ahead and flip these. Just flip them over. Doesn't have to be super precise, but this will allow them to cook more evenly. Alright, and then you just want to kind of push them back down. Go ahead and put them in for another 10 to 20 minutes. We'll check on them after 10 minutes. And again, we're at 300 degrees, we've done 20 minutes, and we're going back in for the next 10, and then we may put on another 10. Alrighty, so it's been 35 minutes. We're going to take these out, and they smell delicious. So we've got these here, we're going to set these up here, and we'll take a couple of them into the living room, puzzle room, and I hear the dog coming, and those are delicious.